Estellar Academy has set a new benchmark as their students perform outstanding in the recently held JEE Main 2024 January session. JEE Main was held this year from 24th January to 1st February 2024. Maintaining the legacy of producing amazing results in engineering and medical competitive exams, Estellar Academy has proved again with its amazing results at JEE Main 2024 as 4 of their toppers scored above 99 percentile. Master Super Stodankar scored 99.43 percentile. Miss Alaya D. Cruz scored 99.33 percentile. Master Amar Lashkarwale scored 99.20 percentile. And Master Warren Sequeira scored 99.17 percentile. All these 4 toppers are students of Estellar Higher Secondary School of Excellence. EHSSE is an integrated higher secondary school for boards and competitive exams preparations affiliated with Goa Board. 18 students have scored above 90 percentile from Estellar Academy. There are many other students from Estellar who have also done extremely well and have qualified at JEE Main 2024.
Today I am here to share our result in JEE Mains Phase 1 2024, and we are quite happy to share with you that 18 of our students got percentile above 90, out of which 4 students have got above 99 percentile. Our student Amar, Supash, Alaya and Warren Sequeira, these 4 have got above 99 percentile, out of which Supash Stodankar got 99.43 percentile. Every year we are producing excellent result in JEE Mains as well as advanced. We are also producing excellent result in NEET, and last year, as you all know, that we gave All India rank 39 in ISI Indian Statistical Institute exam. So basically it is extremely satisfying moment, because when we get the student, when their parents admit their kids to us, they have a lot of expectations, a lot of hopes, and we are happy that we stand firm with their hopes and we fulfill their dreams. So I want to congratulate all the students who have got excellent result. I want to congratulate their parents also, whose dedicated efforts have given very good result. I want to congratulate all my teachers and staff whose hard work and dedication has produced this result. And we promise you that with each passing year, with every competition, whichever the competition is, whether it is in medical field or it is in engineering field or any other scholastic exam, we'll keep producing such excellent result, and we'll be firm and true to the job or task which is assigned to us. Our task is to shape up the young minds and keep their parents informed about their progress and ensure that they get maximum out of their capacities.
Hello, I'm Super Stodankar. I've scored 99.436 percentile in the January attempt of JEE Mains 2024. I'm a student of Estellar High Secondary School of Excellence, which is an integrated program. I feel extremely delighted after clearing JEE Mains January attempt. It was my parents' dream too. The teachers always helped me when I felt demotivated. They always guided me properly. Whenever I felt low, they always guided me and kept me motivated, which also helped me to score good in the January attempt. I personally feel that Estellar Academy is better than every other coaching institute here in Goa and also in other states, because they have excellent test series. The module is really very good, and the teachers are also very supporting. They help you whenever you need them. They always guide you properly. I would like to recommend Estellar Academy to my juniors because the teachers are very supporting. They will help you to score a great percentile at JEE Mains. I myself scored 99.436 because of the guidance that they provided to me. I recommend my school juniors to join Estellar Academy for JEE Mains Advanced and also NEET. They will help you really well and help you to score a great percentile at JEE Mains and also secure a great All India rank at JEE Advanced. Consistency is the key for cracking JEE. I feel that we need to study regularly, at least for like 6 hours. We need to solve the PYQs because JEE Mains nowadays is PYQ derived. So if you have a good command on PYQs, then you'll definitely get a great percentile at JEE Mains. And for advanced, you need to solve like different kind of materials. I'll also recommend some books later. I'd like to thank my parents, the teachers here at Estellar and also the staff, because they were very supporting to me and they helped me to score a very good percentile at JEE Mains, and I also hope that I'll get a good rank in JEE Advanced.
My name is Estellar Cruz and I'm from Estellar Higher Secondary School of Excellence. I scored 99.33 percentile in January first attempt, JEE Mains. I feel delighted. I feel like my efforts have come to fruit and I'm very grateful for the support that I've received. The faculty has always been very supportive. They give it their all, which encourages us to give our all. Regarding the Estellar Academy teachers, I would like to mention that they were always ready to clear doubts. They have always been there to help you and they've been very supportive. I would definitely recommend Estellar Academy to all the aspirants because my experience with them was the best and I assure you that yours will be too. I did my schooling in Fatima Convent High School, after which I joined Estellar Academy. Obviously, the journey was filled with ups and downs, but staying consistent was key, which helped me achieve this percentile. I would like to suggest to all my juniors to stay consistent, even though there will be ups and downs. Marks will fluctuate, but staying consistent, continuously practicing is what makes you succeed. I will always be grateful to Shivam sir, Divyam sir and Sahil sir. They were always there for doubts. Their explanations are top class and I think that's very hard to find. At Estellar Academy, you get everything under one roof, from DPPs to modules to test series. They give you a full analysis which helps you rectify your mistakes and grow. I'm very grateful to my parents, to everyone at Estellar Academy, my colleagues, for always being there, for always pushing me and making me reach my best version.
Hello, my name is Ammar Lashkarwale and I am from Estellar Higher Secondary School of Excellence, which is an integrated program, and I secured a 99.2 percentile in my JEE Main January session. After clearing JEE Main with such score, I feel very happy and delighted, and I would like to perform better in the next session. About Estellar Academy, the teachers were very helpful and we were provided with great modules and DPPs and test series which were very helpful in my preparation. About Estellar Academy, the teachers were very cooperating and helpful and we were provided with regular test series which were a great boost in my preparation. Also, the teachers are very helpful and you can approach them anytime for your doubts, which was a great help. I would like to tell all my juniors to join the academy if you are aiming to get very high scores in the NEET and JEE exam. I would like to thank my mom and dad, which were always there even during my difficult times. A special key to crack any exam is hard work and consistency and solving questions from time to time. I was in an integrated program for 11th and 12th and there was no limitation for me to wait for extra classes, which was a great help because it was also time saver. The classes would be from 8:30 to 3:30 and I would reach my home by 4:30, so I could start my preparation from 6 o'clock till bedtime. The classes would be from 8:30 to 3:30 and I would reach my home by 4:30 and then I could start my preparation from 6 till 10 or 11 at night. I hope that I would do better in the second attempt in JEE Advanced. Yeah, thank you so much.
Hello, I am Varun Siguera. I am a student of Estellar Higher Secondary School of Excellence, which is an integrated program. I have scored 99.17 percentile in JEE Mains January session. After clearing JEE Mains in January session, I am very happy that all my dreams has come true. I hope that I will do good in JEE Advanced and second session also. About Estellar Academy, it is a very great place if you want to clear JEE Mains and Advanced and even NEET and also competitive exams. That faculty is very helpful and the teachers are ready to solve your doubt at any time. You are provided with the DPPs, modules and especially the test series which helped me a lot. My journey with Estellar Academy started right from 9th standard, and if you want to clear JEE Mains or Advanced, I would suggest that you join from Foundation. I am very thankful to my parents and teachers who were always available for me. I would like to recommend to all my juniors to join Estellar Academy if you want to achieve very high score in JEE Mains and Advanced.
Hello, my name is Ryan Fernandez. I'm a student of Estellar Academy.
I scored 98.44 percentile in JEE Mains 2024 January attempt. After clearing JEE Mains 2024 January attempt, I feel amazing. It was a whole new dream come true for me. I learned a lot of new things. It was an amazing experience. I'm very grateful to them for helping me clear JEE first attempt with such a good percentile. The faculty here are amazing, and they clear all our doubts any time of the day. The teachers of Estellar Academy, they are very skilled and very professional. They always clear our doubts and always guide us to do what to do next. Estellar Academy is better than other academy. As it has a good learning environment, they provide us lots of study material and guide us in every way. To my juniors who want to prepare for JEE and other competitive exams, be consistent with your studies and do not lose focus on the goal. I also want to thank my parents for supporting me all the way. Without them, I could have never achieved this goal of mine.
I'm Ryan's mother. I'm very grateful for Estellar Academy for my son has done well, and I would like to thank the Almighty God first of all, and all the teachers over here who have taken so much efforts, and all the faculty at Estellar Academy. I'm very thankful to everyone over here, and I'm very happy for my son has scored 98.44 and hoping to do well in future as well. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Evna Cardozo. I am a student of Estellar High Secondary School of Excellence. I am satisfied with my first attempt. I hope to do better and I will try my best for my second attempt. I will definitely recommend Estellar Academy to my siblings and juniors. They are some of the best teachers who are ready to help you and guide you on every turn. Estellar Academy conducts regular tests. Their staff gives you proper counseling on how to approach problems and difficulties you have in any subject. I would advise my juniors to work hard for the 2 crucial years which are required to be successful in any competitive exam. Thank you.
I'm Ishan Wittenberg from class 12 from Estellar's Moscow branch, and I got 97.24 percentile in session 1 of JEE. I feel as if my dream has come true and I'm very happy for it. I will definitely recommend it to my juniors, and I feel as if Estellar Academy is one of the best coachings in here. The teachers are also very nice and they teach a very nice way. I would recommend them to remember about their dream each and every day and to be consistent in this struggle so that they can go into their dream college and have a dream life.
Hello, I'm Reva Acharya, student from Estellar High Secondary School of Excellence. I have scored 96.95 percentile in January attempt of JEE 2024. After clearing JEE Mains 2024, I feel proud and I credit all my performance to my teachers, parents and friends. For such an amazing score, I'll be forever thankful. About Estellar Academy, amazing teachers, amazing facilities, amazing doubt clearing sessions, amazing tests, really helpful. I definitely recommend Estellar Academy for future aspirants for JEE and NEET. Estellar Academy is better than other coaching institutions because the teachers are very friendly and they've always helped me with the silliest doubts I've ever had. To all the future aspirants who want to become doctors and engineers, there'll be times when you feel like quitting, but never quit and stay focused because the hard work always pays off.
My name is Paras Muraskar. I am a student of Estellar High Secondary School of Excellence, which is an integrated program. My score for JEE in January session was 96.83 percentile. After clearing JEE with such a high score, it feels like a dream come true and I feel really happy. I'll get into my dream college. Estellar Academy, I feel, is the best institute for JEE aspirants and also NEET aspirants. The faculty is really good. The material, I love the material. I met really nice people. All 3 of my sirs were great. I met great students also. We were provided with a lot of PPPs modules, and our portions were over in September, because of which we got a lot of time for revision. And a lot of mock tests were conducted which helped us to prepare for JEE in a better way. I recommend all my juniors to join Estellar Academy if you are really willing to crack JEE or NEET. since I was in the integrated program, my classes would get over at 3:30 and I would reach home at around 4:50. And at 5 I used to start studying, and then 5 onwards I used to study for the whole day. So this is one of the advantages of being in an integrated program. I would like to thank my parents for it was their decision of enrolling me in Estellar Academy. I could not have cracked the exam without the help of Estellar Academy. The teachers are great. I would also like to thank Sahil sir because he was always there for me. I used to call him at 12 AM, 1 AM and he always used to pick up my call. I would also like to thank William sir. I asked him silly doubts hundreds of times, but he never scolded me. He always helped me. And also Shivam sir, he was always there. He's a great mentor. I would also like to thank all the non-teaching staff, for example, Faisal sir, Fatima ma'am for always being there. They are the ones who provided us with all the material.
Hello, my name is David Fashro and I am a student of Estellar Higher Secondary School of Excellence. I am happy for now but would like to aim higher and do better for my next attempt. I would definitely recommend Estellar Academy to my juniors and siblings because the teachers are good and cooperative and they give us their personal attention. They guide us and give us tests regularly, which helps us to score better and improve our performance. I would advise them to plan their study routine well, learn from their mistakes, give many tests, and remember that failure is a pillar to success.
Hello, my name is Samuel and I am a student of Estellar Academy. I have scored 94.85 percentile in the JEE Main Session 1 2024. After I cleared the JEE Main attempt, I feel happy about my result and I feel confident that I can clear future examinations in flying colours. I'm a student of Estellar Academy since the 8th standard and I have been in their foundation course from 8th, 9th, 10th. I joined the ESIP at 11th and continued to 12th, and they have coached me throughout the JEE Main session that I have attended. The teachers are very friendly, they are very approachable and are as if a friend you can talk to if you have any academic doubts and any doubts regarding stresses due to full examinations. I would recommend Estellar Academy to any future JEE Main, Advanced and even NEET aspirants. My message to my juniors is, set your dreams to crush them, don't let them be a distant dream. I would like to thank God and for giving me the strength. I would also love to thank my parents for encouraging me during my hard times when I was feeling demotivated. My teachers and all the members of Estellar Academy for helping me through the difficulties that I've had during my entire process of studying for the examinations that I've attempted.
I am the mother of Samuel Borges and he is the student of Estellar Academy in the integrated program. Today I'm very happy with his achievements in this JEE Mains. He has made all of us proud and I give thanks to God Almighty, our Heavenly Father, for giving him this grace to study, prepare and to be a part of who he is. All of us have definitely contributed in his success, we as parents, his family, and not to give any less importance, but a lot to the academic guidance that he has got from this academy. Samuel has been associated with Estellar Academy since standard 8th, so he's done his foundation and then he's reached this stage. So he has been prepared by the faculties for this day. This has been a part of his life, and I attribute his success to all the disciplinary efforts that the faculties here have put into his life. As a parent, I advise all parents to give the support that is required to the child. The child may just want your presence sometimes, not always that we have to be giving them words of guidance. They very well know what they have to do. We just have to stand by them.
Hello, my name is Arya Anand Naik and I've been studying at Estellar Higher Secondary School of Excellence, an integrated program. In my January session for JEE mains, I scored 92.75 percentile. On scoring 92.75 percentile, I feel great and I feel very proud of my hard work that I've put in. I feel Stellar Coaching Academy is better than other coaching academies because of the friendly teaching environment, the student and teacher relationship, all the staff who have been helping all of these students throughout the years, and it also gives all the facilities which make it better than others. Normally the school timings were from 8 to 3:30, but I used to stay back because I could learn more staying here because of the environment that I used to get, the studying environment. All the teachers who used to help me to clear my doubts when I used to stay back. I would like to recommend Stellar Academy to all my juniors and all the people, all these students that are aiming to get a good percentile for JEE and JEE. About the Stellar Academy teachers, all of them are great, all of them are highly qualified, and all of them really help you out when you're stuck. They have great teaching abilities and they really help you out. I would like to thank the Sir Yogen Sir for his guidance. I would like to thank Shivam Sir for helping me throughout the year, for all his support. I would like to thank Sahil Sir, Divyam Sir, all of them, and all the staff of Stellar Academy for their efforts. I would like to thank my parents for all the efforts they have put in, all the support they have given me, all the motivation they have put into me. I really want to thank them.
I am mother of Arya Naik. She is a student of Estellar Academy. Firstly, I would like to thank Sir Yoginder, Sir Shivam, Sir Faisal, and all the teaching staff. Because of their hard work and this dedicated, my child achieves this score. Once again, I would like to thank for him. Thank you.
My name is Ankur Kunde. I am a student of Stellar Higher Secondary School of Excellence, and my JEE Mains 2024 Session 1 score is 90.02 percentile. I feel really very good about my score that I have cleared JEE Mains, and I feel really amazing, and I am going to prepare for JEE Advanced and also the Session 2 of JEE Mains 2024. About the Stellar Academy teachers, they are very good, very helpful. They have always helped me with anything, doubts about any subject, when I'm really getting less marks in exams, to improve everything. They have really helped me a lot. I would definitely recommend Stellar Academy to everyone, all the aspirants from Goa, and also everyone who dreams to clear JEE Mains and Advanced, and also NEET and every other exam. Stellar Academy is the best than any other academy because they are very helpful. They always approach you with positive feedback. They always motivate you to work harder and do better. The message I would like to give my juniors and all the aspirants is that they should work hard every day, study, and also be focused and not be scared. Be always confident about yourself. And I would like to thank my teachers, my parents, and all my friends, my classmates who have helped me to perform well these 2 years.
I'm Nathan John Perito, studying 12th ESIB Moscow branch. I'm really happy on clearing JEE Main 2024 with really good marks. And in addition to my efforts, the teachers and Estellar, everyone at Estellar played a big role in my success. Apart from giving the coach the study material, the teachers also played a big role in motivating us whenever we were feeling down or having a bad mood, or upset about our scores. So that always was covered by the teachers, and the staff also helped us being regular with our scores, and so we always up to date with any news with regards to JEE. And as far as Estellar is concerned, I would surely recommend it to all my friends and also to all the juniors who are there who are watching this video. because Estellar is a really good institute. At least in Goa, it's really good. And all those who are answering JEE, who are trying to answer JEE and like the coming years, one thing I really tell you is to work really hard, trust in your institute, because they'll provide the best material and they're surely doing the best. My juniors and who are aspiring for NEET and JEE, who work and strive really hard towards a goal and always like believe in themselves. Like no matter what, you must always pursue the dream, because hurdles there will be many, but you have to be focused and you have to achieve, and the one day will surely come and achieve your goal. That is what I would like to tell my students.